Welcome to Tiki Diary, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to give it a like. Remember to subscribe. Now, that was the first player that is linked with Kaizer Chiefs for next season. That was Usise. Cisse plays as a 6, Cisse plays as an 8. He's a box-to-box midfielder. They call him Uyeye. So yeah, guys, we know that Kaizer Chiefs have not had a proper midfielder until Lebohang Maboe popped up. Yeah, that is Ulebohang Maboe, probably or potentially his midfield partner, that is Usise for next season. Lebohang Maboe playing man of the match. Kaizer Chiefs winning 1-0 against Imagesi Lapane Moses Mabhida. Professional, performance. I thought the boys did well, especially Imagesi Sibonile Dlala, those long balls. I'm still not convinced by Miguel. I thought in the first half, Miguel Kishiwa Costa team. Miguel, I don't know what happened to Quinica. I don't know why he was not even on match day squad. Probably Ulimele, because Mbonile, even in the second half, he did not make any appearances, and he did not appear even on the starting lineup or on the subs bench. So yeah, guys, what did you think of that 2-0 win for Kaizer Chiefs? Kaizer Chiefs scoring 2 goals for the first time in 2026. Professional appearance, that's what I call it. Villa coming in. I think Villa is he is an embodiment of a Kaizer Chiefs player. So yeah, he dribbles in the right areas. I think bamcoachile lapana with development where to dribble and in which areas to show off his skill. So I'm all for flair as long as it is done in the right manner and it is done in the right spaces. Also, it's very good to get the crowd involved and also to get in the mind of your opponent's psyche. So yeah, guys, asiboneni player list 2 elifunwa Kaizer Chiefs, that is uSiyanda Zwane.
Lukele and Glovo. Chinyani tries the tackle and Glovo continues forward. Too many players, but still he keeps going. What a goal! What a superb goal! Dribbled his way. Lukele and Glovo. Chinyani tries the tackle and Glovo continues forward. Too many players, but still he keeps Kele. Glovo. Chinyani tries the tackle and Glovo continues forward. Too many players, but still he keeps going. What a goal! What a superb goal! Dribbled his way.
Yeah, guys, remember to give it a like. Remember to subscribe. That was Usiyanda Zwane. Siyanda Zwane, he has probably been the best player in the Betway Premiership, in arguably one of the best performers. Siyambona yakwazi ukushaya amagoli, yakwazi ukwenza ama-assist. Yeah, if he comes through lapha Chiefs, I think he will be Dusha Balala's direct competition. So yeah, we don't know. I think Chiefs will probably have competition from the likes of Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates. So yeah, guys, I don't know whether they will win this race. However, Kaizer Chiefs need to start winning transfer battles, because that's where it starts. That's where you set the tone for the rest of the season in terms of bringing in quality. Now, guys, the third player that is linked with Kaizer Chiefs, Matlo is coming in for Cisse. Cisse is, sorry guys, Matlo uyapuma. Cisse is coming in. Matlo, as you know, he's currently injured. So yeah, Lokuzano Cisse, I think he is very much a capable replacement for him, even an upgrade on Matlo, that is Cisse. And considering that he is young, if Chiefs can buy him, they can later sell him to an overseas team. So that would be a great investment. And also that goes the same as for Usiyanda from Golden Arrows, but I think Kaizer Chiefs will have more competition for Usiyanda. Right, guys, the third player that is linked with Kaizer Chiefs, surprisingly, probably Siabona players like Abu Morris, they will go. And I hear that there is potentially a loan deal for Uto Priest. Well, they can sign another striker. Igodaro is forever injured, so Kaizer Chiefs definitely need a striker. And I'm very much surprised to hear that Kaizer Chiefs are linked with Ulas Faltek. His agent has offered Faltek to Kaizer Chiefs. So I don't know whether they'll wait for the incoming coach rumored to be Pito Musimane. We don't know about that. We'll wait for the official announcement by Kaizer Chiefs in due course. Let us have a look at some of his clips. Yeah, that is it, guys. That's all for this show. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to give it a like. Remember to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.